Good morning, everybody. Quick update on AirCanada stock. This video is for educational purposes only. I do not recommend to buy or sell any securities. This is the way I interpret the markets. It's been a while since I made the last video. There was not much to report about. Yesterday I noticed something that developed on the chart that I was waiting for a while. And let me go straight into that. As a technical trader, I always look at the past. Past is telling me what the future might bring. So if I look at the past in this chart, I can see that market stalled at this level here, and then again here, and then I have a fake out here. So it means stalling again. The price was not able to hold below the 1587, and then again here. So this level is becoming a very, very strong level where all the buyers are coming into play. Last couple of weeks, we had this kind of a little rally of the price going to 1951, but then sellers took over and drove the price down again to 1587. Yesterday, we had this signal developed, this green little candle here, which is called a pin bar. This level is very significant for buyers to get into market. I know everybody would like to go a bit lower in order to make more money. However, this level seems to be proving very significant for this stock, so we're going to stick with that. If we look at the chart, this was May 29th, where this signal here, this pin bar here, developed before. That level was not significant at that point of time because there was nothing to support my look at the chart. Even if I go back into history, there was maybe one place where market stalled at that level. However, a few weeks later, after this rally, we had the price drop down to this level again and stalled again at 1587. We had another rally and then drop where sellers were trying to lower the price as much as they can towards these levels here, where we are looking to make a bigger profits because it's a much lower price for us to buy. However, buyers are pretty strong at this 1587 area. So this is called a fake out, where the price breaks out and within 1 or 2 sessions breaks straight back in above this line. So this became again a very significant 1587 zone. And then we had another attempt for buyers to go higher. Sellers were struggling and fighting the buyers. Came down again to retest this area 1587. A lot of buyers came at this level here again, and then we had this nice rally of almost $4 in price for the stock. So what happened basically after this rally, people took profits, and this is why you had this fall. So that's how it usually works. You invest here at the bottom or at the lowest price as you can. The market rallies, you get a $4 profit out of the stock, depending how many you bought. And then you take profits at a certain level. Once you started taking profits, the stock plummets, right, or starts coming down. But where do we stop? What do I see right now at this point of time? Well, we are again sitting at this 1587 level, and this beautiful buy signal developed again at that same level. So if we look at the signal here, and stalling at this level and this level and this level, 1587 seems to be proving a very, very significant area for buyers to get into the market again. In order for me to get into the trade, which I will, the market has to break the top of this candle here. So this is the signal. The top has to be broken. If you look at any of my videos as far as technical trading, you will see that how I get into trades and where I place my stops. So at this point of time, I'm waiting for the price to break above this signal here. That would be at 1620. If that happens, I will re-enter the market and ride it all the way to probably 1951 and reevaluate the situation once I get closer to that level. Of course, there's a couple of obstacles here, 1850 and 1750 areas. We can see the market stalled at those areas before, so that will be kind of an area for us to be aware of. Again, this is not a advice to buy or sell any stocks. This is just the way I see the market going right this way. We have developed a beautiful buy signal at 1587, which was a very significant area of the market from before. We can see the market stalled there. If the price does not break below that signal, so this session does not break this candle here, the low, this candle here or this signal is still valid for us to get into trade and go long up to 1951. That will be the target. My entry level or my entry point will be at 1620. So once the market breaks above this green signal and gets to 1620, I will be long or buying the market. In order to invalidate this signal, market has to break below this candle. Once that's broken, then I will look into different options, probably this level here, or you might go all the way down here, which I really doubt that's going to happen. This is proven now that to be a very significant area. So the way this signal is being interpreted, we have the area where the market stalled. We have sellers, they're driving market down. We get this little signal here that showed up. So basically sellers were in control, driving the markets down below this area here. So they were in control at that during that session that day. However, the buyers are very strong at this 1587 area and drove back this price above this line and closed the price above the line. So at one time the sellers were in control, they were pushing the price below this area here. However, the buyers are very strong and are not letting the price to go down lower or to close below 1587. So they drove the price back during the same session and close above that line. We have it here where the price was not able to break. Once again, the sellers were in control, but the buyers again pushed the price backwards above in next two sessions. Then we have another proof that the market stalled at that level, and then we got a signal to go long again at this area here to 1951. And today we have received another buy signal here, which tells us that yesterday sellers were in control because everybody were taking profit from 1951 area 8 to area 1587. The sellers broke through that area, tried to keep the price down or to close below that area and continue on selling off, taking more profits. However, the buyers again, or investors, are very strong in this area, and they drove the price back again above this line and close it. As you can see, the body of this candle is closed above. So at the entry for this long will be at 1620 area, and then the target should be around 1951 with caution at area at 1750 and 1850. And this is how I see the market at this point of time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for tuning in, and subscribe if you like my videos. This is Sasha. Stay safe. Peace out.